Guys, Bitcoin broke out to the upside from this megaphone pattern. We had a very clean retest, right, which we were watching right here. So far we are bouncing, and actually Bitcoin is trading right now between some key Fibonacci levels. So we just broke the 38.20%. Right now we are trading between the 38.20% and the 50%. And guys, in today's video, I am going to tell you exactly what I think is going to happen with Bitcoin and what kind of things we will need to be watching in order for further continuation to the upside, or in order for Bitcoin to, basically to get a further correction right here. So guys, let's jump straight into it. Of course, make sure to smash up that like button down below. Guys, you have no clue how much that is helping the channel to push this video to a broader audience. And lately, you guys are already doing an amazing job. So I want to express my gratitude for that. And yeah, big thank you to every single one of you. So guys, like we said in yesterday's video, we actually expect Bitcoin to continue this uptrend, right? However, while we in this uptrend, we do see some warning signals where we just want to be aware of, right? But so far, the structure is in an uptrend. We will expect Bitcoin to continue. So for me right now as well, I would expect Bitcoin to go up to the next Fibonacci level, or at least to resistance, rather than to come down. But if we were to come down, if we were to lose the support, then that is a sign of weakness. But what we actually see right here on the 4-hour time frame, that's also something I mentioned in my previous videos. We get all these bearish divergences right here, but still Bitcoin ignored that and Bitcoin went up. However, right now we get another bearish divergence. So it really looks like momentum might be slowing down right here on Bitcoin. And today is going to be the day that the S&P 500 is going to open. And this is going to be quite a crazy moment, because if the S&P 500 were to go on a massive liquidation event because we got rejected from the 200-day moving average, we have to see how Bitcoin is going to react. But guys, first, let's go back to the charts again. So Bitcoin just broke above the 38.20%. That is also above that former resistance of that megaphone pattern. If, due to the fact, because we have these bearish divergences, the relative strength index is coming down and so on, if we do lose this support level and we break below it decisively, then that is a strength, or actually a sign of weakness, and especially if we will break the 38.20%, because this level has already acting as resistance, so we broke it. So for Bitcoin to remain bullish, we need to maintain above this level. Now, in terms of time, there are some important things coming. I've been talking about it on the channel. We have used the cycles of William Delbert again, right? And we have a lot of different cycles. We got the 60-day cycle, we got the 160-day cycle, we got the 120-day cycle, we got 180-day cycle, we got the 225-day cycle. Crazy thing is, guys, that all these numbers equal to 9. Or to actually a number divided by 3, but most of them to 9. So 225 is 9, 180 is 9, 531 is 9. 360 is 9. So that's actually quite crazy, because this is one of the most important numbers in the universe, as Nikola Tesla was actually talking about that. But nevertheless, it's about 369s in these cycles. And what we can see right here is I've checked from the bottom low, the 4-year cycle low basically right here, to the first potential cycle, that is the 120-day cycle, that is aligning with another date that is actually very significant. So I'm going to watch what Bitcoin is going to do here. If we do get a nice push, and after this date we do see like a star doji, or we get a high reading on the premium index from whaleportal, then we might see a reversal after that date. But I think I really would like to wait after that date and not go before that date, because I just think it's interesting to be, or it's important to be patient and to see the reaction of the price. Also right now it's a little bit, we are trading between the 38.20 and the 50%. So we either get one last big push to the upside, or we're going to lose support. And when we lose support, that is then the sign of weakness that we can see. Not a chart, guys, that I can share with you, and this one is actually quite crazy, and I haven't seen that much people talking about this, but we have a huge declining channel right here, and yeah, the middle of the channel is getting respected, because that's one of the most important aspects. When the middle of the channel is being respected as well, you can actually be sure, okay, this is a good channel. That is also what I'm teaching in my cryptocurrency trading course, which you can win, by the way, by commenting below these videos, because by the end of this week I'm gonna announce another winner, and the winner will be one of the comments on the videos from this week. So make sure to drop a comment down below. But as you can see right here, we had a perfect retest of the middle of the channel. We had a super nice bounce right here. Right now we are approaching that resistance, and that resistance is at 30,000, 31,000, and this is a crazy level, guys, because this is not only the declining resistance that we are seeing right here. No, we have so many levels, so many confluence going on to there. Let me show you. First of all, we have the Fibonacci retracement tool. The 50% retracement is at 32,700. Right, that is a little bit the higher end of that coming resistance. But if we go back to this chart, we can basically see that 31,500 is the exact level right here. But you know, we can always like maybe shoot up with a wick and then come down again. But we also have to look at the horizontal resistance, right? Because that is another line, and then we can draw it right here. Look at that confluence, guys. That horizontal resistance right here is at 31,000 US dollars. So for me personally, it would make a lot of sense for Bitcoin to tap this level. But yeah, there are no guarantees, of course. If we are losing support earlier, then we gotta see that as a sign of weakness already earlier. But right now I'm going and try to be patient, because it looks like we are going to tap into this liquidity from between 30,000 and 32,000. That is the levels that I'm watching. Also, I want to share some tweets with some other people. This is Inspo Crypto. It is a German dude. He's saying that the market is driven by exchanges, and that this Bitcoin rally soon will have an end. That is okay. I actually text this dude. I asked him if he wants to come onto the channel. So maybe today or tomorrow, I will have a call with him, and he can explain a little bit more about what he's saying right here. Then we got a tweet from Benjamin Cowen actually stating that the stablecoin supply ratio oscillator just reached the peak level it reached in 2019, right before we had that massive correction in 2019. But as you can see, before we reached that peak, or actually after we reached that peak, Bitcoin still had quite a massive push. And this is also something I want to tell you guys. Bitcoin will only go down, will only start its correction, will only create a top the moment the majority is bullish, and the moment the majority will not expect it. That's why time is so important. We have these time cycles right here. We know at exact moments that if we enter a blow off top phase at that specific moment, then the chances of creating a top increases. Because we can also see on whaleportal, guys, Bitcoin balance on exchanges is increasing. Well, that most of the time, almost all the time, goes along with distribution. Funding rates are positive, but coming down right now, also showing that we might see another push. The premium index is negative. That is also quite okay. Actually, more bullish than bearish short term. And we can see that the taker by sell ratio slightly coming back up. but yeah, nothing yet significant. So we really have to wait and see what Bitcoin is going to do. I think 22nd, 23rd of March is going to be very, very important. I'm going to wait for that. And yeah, like I said, it looks like right now, if I have to summarize it, it looks like we are seeing distribution going on in the background of Bitcoin. However, don't get fooled, because that doesn't mean that Bitcoin is going to turn around right here, because we have seen often distribution and we just see Bitcoin going on another last rally, right, to 32, 31K. That is possible. The reason why I point out this level, because there's so much confluence, there's so much charts pointing to that level. We got declining resistance, we got horizontal resistance, we got Fibonacci retracement levels over there. So you get the point, right? So okay guys, this is actually the message that I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, make sure to drop a like, leave a thumbs up, drop a comment down below if you want to get if you want to be able to win that cryptocurrency trading course. If you are interested in getting signals about these charts, getting more information, then make sure guys to join WhaleAlerts. WhaleAlerts is a part of whaleportal. It's basically a Telegram channel where you get automated signals based on whaleportal charts, but I'm also creating extra content over there with extra videos and so on. The only thing you need to do to join WhaleAlerts is to sign up on Bybit with the affiliate link down below and meet the deposit requirements of 100 US dollars basically. So I would highly recommend you guys to join WhaleAlerts to get that extra information. And for right now, it's still free. Just by being an active trader, you can join. And I got some questions, because there are some people from the United States who are not able to join Bybit, because Bybit is not offering their services to the United States. So for those people who are actually living in the United States, you can also join WhaleAlerts by joining bitget. If you want that, you have to send me an email at theblockchaintoday@gmail.com. Then I will reply to you with a link where you can sign up on bitget, where you will also trade under our affiliates, but you will be enrolled into the WhaleAlerts channel. Guys, I want to thank you all for watching this video. Thank you all for your support the last couple of weeks. It has been amazing. The views are going back up again. So this is really, really, truly amazing and truly appreciated, guys. So thank you so much for that. I love you all very much. I wish you all a great day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.